Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here today to make some alterations or to customize my B6 Estelle. I enjoy my Estelle so much. I purchased this B6, but the only problem is there's only one page, and that doesn't I want 3 blank pages. So there's the the week on one page, and then we have these pages. So I want to make some changes, customize this Estelle to fit my needs. So I have, as you can see, a Stalogy and then the Estelle. So I will show you really quick what it looks like, and then I will show you how you can do it yourself. So what I did, I have this Stalogy. I had all these extra pages, and one of the pages actually had a sticker on it. So I wanted to see, I actually tried it in the back first, but I wanted to see how it would work to add a page to this week on one page, and it did really well. So I have 1, 2, 3 blank pages. So I want to show you how you can do that yourself. And so we will practice on this page. And I am going to show you what products I have and what I used. And I'm going to also experiment. I haven't tried this as well. One thing I would say is I would have loved to like tape in the page, but the only problem with taping it in is you still have the extra tape in there, so you can fill it. So then, you know, if you want to write across, that tape, it's a distraction. You know, it's okay for tip-ins and stuff, I guess, but now that I have figured this out, I'm gonna run with it. So, okay, so I purchased this Bonding Memories dual action glue pen from close to my heart years ago. So I do not actually know if they still have it, but if they do, maybe you can go online and see if they have it. But I was also curious to see if it would still work, which it does. So I have that. I have this pen blade, which I purchased from the a scrapbook expo in Michigan. So I have that. And then I also have scissors because the page is a little bit bigger, in case I need to cut around or whatever. Or I'm going to have to cut it a little bit shorter because the Stalogy is a little bit bigger. So yeah, so let's get started. And I'm also going to experiment with a glue stick to see how that works. But this has worked very well. As you can see, it is not constricting it at all. So yeah, so I will show you how I added an extra page to my Estelle B6. All right, so first off, let's get the Stalogy. And I actually went to the back. I didn't go too far back, but like around here. And you'll see, it's hard, I can't zoom in right now because I put my camera a certain way, but you will see the numbers here on the Stalogy. So I'm gonna cut just a little bit before the numbers with this blade. So I'm going to go in a little bit, and it may not be perfectly straight, which it's okay. I'm okay with it, but I think if you want it straighter, you can always use a ruler to line it up if you want it straighter. So easy peasy. Got that. And then now I'm going to take my book. I hope I'm in focus. All right. And then I'm going to take this. See, it's like a chisel tip. And then I'm just going to run this across. in here. Let's do it one more time just in case. And then I'm going to add this page in. So I'm sure you can measure it before to cut it if you want. I am probably doing it like a little bit in like a difficult way. So yeah, but I should try that. So you just line it up in there. And I'll kind of close it. And see, there you go. Wait, let's see. Let's make sure it's sticking, sorry. See, the first time I did it, like stuck really good. There we go. Now it should be sticking. Give a little bit more glue. Oh, that's what it is. I need to, let's pull this out. Let me push it down a little bit more. May not be enough glue. It's so funny because the first time I did it, it like was so perfect. And of course, when I'm on video, let's see. I think it just needs, yep. Here it goes. So I'm lining up the top arid page there. Then lining this up. And then what I'll do is I will go ahead. Got a little cricket. All right. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Like I said, you can cut it before if you want to. So I'm just gonna kind of make sure it's lined up. And I also have a corner rounder, so if I want to use that. I'm probably doing it like the most imperfect way. But yeah, so cut it a little bit more. All right. And voila, you have your extra page. Hopefully I'm in view. So yep, there you go. You have your extra page. And it sticks. This one seems to, yeah, seems like it's doing pretty good. I haven't added back to back, so, but I am going to let it dry. But yeah, so there you go. You have your added page. And then once you let it dry, see, it will still be sticky or have its stickiness. And then, yeah. So I'm going to let that dry. And then now let's try it with the glue stick. I'm curious. So I haven't done it with the glue stick yet. So let's try it with the glue stick. Go closer to the back page. And now let's try the glue stick. See how it works. So I'm gonna do this and then go in the middle because this may work just as good. And that way you don't have to buy that brush tip pen because I know it's more expensive than the glue stick. Just gonna cut this. Okay, let's try the glue stick. Oh, yep. You just need to let it dry. I see a little bit of the residue, but I'm sure once it dries, and I'm wondering if I should have just did one side. So, let's see. And what's nice about a glue stick, let me see. Just take this paper. And I am hoping our Estelle will come out with a 3-page layout. But for now, if you want to get a B6, this is a way you can kind of alter it and make it your own. And you still have good Stalogy paper, or you can even I am not doing the best job. This is just something quick. Yeah. But at least you have an idea. And this is just like my planner, so it's whatever. So there you go. So yeah, so I'm gonna let that dry. So, but there you go. There is an idea if you want to. And then you may have to fold it a little bit, but at least you have those pages. I need to let that dry. Oh, and that's actually the glue stick. Yeah, I'm gonna let the glue stick dry. But it seems like the dual, it dries faster. Yeah, it's doing a lot better. Wow, it dried really quick. So if you can find this, once again, this is the dual action glue pen from Close to My Heart. I didn't check to see if they still have it. Like I said, I probably bought this maybe like 10 years ago. I haven't bought Close to My Heart like kits in a long time. So I believe, yeah, I probably bought this in like 2013, 2014, and it still works. And actually, I think it is doing better than the glue stick. Like I said, the glue stick has to dry, but if that's like your, like the cheaper option, then I would say, yeah, use the glue stick. I'm gonna let that dry, but there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And like I said, hopefully that can be an alternate option in case you do want to get the 2024 Estelle. And then you just, I'm gonna have to reglue that, but you just, yeah, can have your own pages. So I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. And actually, if you know a better glue that would possibly go in between as well, I also had double tape I was gonna try. So you can also do maybe like a thin strip of double-sided tape. Maybe that will work. Yeah, so just let me know if this tutorial helped. And y'all take care. Bye-bye.